Social infrastructure, continuing on with it. Now we're going to do what are the causes of low level of health in India. So I'm going to give you a small scene which will help us remember the points. Okay, so there's this woman, a 22-year-old woman. She's holding she's a wiry woman with blood and bones, very thin, and she's holding a baby and who's not very robust, happy in her arms, and she's holding a pail in another hand to collect water. She's going to get some water from outside, drinking water, and then she has two children, one of 3 years and one of 5 years, who are walking alongside collecting sticks and for the firewood. So we've learnt all this, and the place that she comes out is like a slum. There are too many hutments there, and the huts are very small. Okay, now let's learn up the points. Let's take first. She's got 3 kids. Let's say take it as, and she's just 22. High birth rate. Then they are not very strong, robust. So malnutrition. Learn up malnutrition. And they're going to get water. So lack of safe drinking water. And then housing. They come up from a house which is a hutment, which is a small little hutment, and lot of the sanitation is also not up to the mark. So lack of adequate housing. Then they are picking up sticks or collecting firewood, so lack of access to clean fuel for cooking. So she's going to take the sticks and use them for cooking at home. There'll be smoke, which is not good again, and then there is water and air pollution, and another thing is inadequate medical facility, which means that as it is, they do some home remedies, and if things go out of hand, then they look to the village person who believes in witchcraft, a quack. So I want you to go through these points and learn them up. So once you learn them up, you can write whatever you want to write. So in this, so the causes of low level, you can get a question as, what are the causes of low level of health in India? So high birth rate. India still has high birth rate as compared to developed nations. Frequent births of children adversely affect the health of mothers. Unhealthy mothers give birth to unhealthy children. So next is malnutrition. So okay, high birth rate is as high as 20.4 per thousand population. Malnutrition. The main cause of low level of health and high disease is malnutrition. People don't even get adequate food. Forget about nutritious food. So this results in poor health. Lack of safe drinking water and sanitation. Not only in rural areas but in many urban areas also, people have no safe drinking water supply. Sanitation facilities are not up to the required level. So obviously this adversely affects health of the people. There are so many diseases like typhoid and all waterborne diseases also which take place. And according to UNICEF, over 1 lakh children die every year due to lack of sanitation facilities in India. Then lack of adequate housing. India lacks adequate housing facilities. Rural areas don't have clean houses, and which affects the health of the people and environment. Even urban areas, there are slums. Lack of access to clean fuel for cooking. There is lack of access to clean fuel, that is LPG, PNG, used for cooking by households in India. A majority of households still do not use this for cooking. They rely on firewood, cow dung, crop residue, etc. and this adversely affects the health of women and children, particularly in the rural areas. Then you have water and air pollution. Industrialization in India has created water and air pollution. Waters of chemicals do fall in rivers, which pollute drinking water. Smoke coming out of industries also adversely affect human health. And then you have what is inadequate medical facilities everywhere, rural as well as urban, but in rural it is worse. They don't have medical facilities at all. So I hope you'll be able to learn up the points.